Galactic Grant per se is an initiative of the state of Massachusetts with the organization CASIS, the organization that handles the experimentation on the space station, International Space Station. So the idea of the grant is to identify experiments whose results collected in space benefit activities on Earth. We applied and we were selected as a winner. What we suggested there is to explore how separation behaves in space. So as I mentioned earlier, our separation exploits surface forces as opposed to gravity. We would like to see, by removing gravity, how does that change? Because we have done our calculations making some assumptions and our experimentation making assumptions, but gravity is still here. So a separator of these will be flown to space. There will be a setup for an astronaut to run some experiments. The data will be recorded, sent back to Earth, and compared. We think that this is a great opportunity that we are having for a number of reasons. If you want to be a forward thinker, you can think that this is one of the first steps to enable drug making in space. So if you want to think of missions to Mars, missions to Pluto, probably I guess the astronauts will take some pills, some drugs for the way, but for 20 years long trip, maybe you need also the capability to make your own chemicals or your own drugs in space. So this is a first step. If you look at things in a kind of shorter time scale, I think that the experimentation on the space station will provide very important results to improve our products and hopefully some advertisement. Space is cool and we're happy we're going. So we are setting up a research lab at Zaiput. The idea for the company is to drill down the space of separation, liquid-liquid extraction. We have realized out of the interactions that there's a huge potential, a tremendous potential. Pardon me. So the plan is to make bigger brothers, so people that deploy it can go to production. Also scale out, so boxes with advanced extraction functions. And then the company is planning to offer also knowledge in that domain. So we'll develop in-house services to help the customer identify the proper sets of chemicals to accomplish their extraction needs. We are planning to, we are actually looking for space to set up our own labs. We have partnered with Snapdragon Chemistry, which is a leading consulting company in the chemistry space, flow chemistry space. And so we think that from the partnership, we'll have access to state-of-the-art flow chemistry knowledge, and that will help us with our engineering expertise provide outstanding service to customers. MIT is devoted to excellence. We've learned that over here. Maybe we had it as a notion. That's also the motto for our company.